All right, so we're evaluating the similarity of triangles, and we've got the angle similarity postulate. We've got the side similarity theorem, and we've got the side similarity theorem. And depending on what we may be given at any particular point in time, we have to determine which one of those three are going to help us prove or disprove, as the case may be, triangle similarity. Now, we're given some information here, or we're given a question, I should say. This corresponds to example 3, which is on page 480 and ends up on page 481 in our textbook. And it says, if triangle JKL and FGH are two triangles such that angle J is congruent to angle F, which of the following would be sufficient to prove that the triangles are similar? And so, as I need to in many cases, I just want to sketch a couple of triangles, see if I can visualize what we got here. They do not have to be drawn to scale, but order is important. So I'm just going to pop in a couple of triangles. I'm not worried necessarily what they look like. I'm going to say that this is J, K, L, and we'll put this in a different color. I've got another triangle over here, and I'm going to label it F, G, H. Now, we're told that angle J and angle F are congruent. And then it says, which of the following would be sufficient? Well, if I've got one angle, if I only know one angle, that rules out using the angle similarity postulate. I don't know any of the sides, have no measurements of the sides, so that rules out the side similarity theorem. So I'm looking at the side similarity theorem. And again, that's going to state that if the corresponding sides are proportional and the included angle of those two sides is congruent, then we can prove similarity using the side similarity theorem. So, which sides then would be the sides that would have angles J and angle F as included angles? Well, that would be JK and JL and FG and FH. Okay, so let's look at this. Is a multiple choice question, so let's see. First, in A here, and they use different letters in your book, but I didn't want to change it. A is KL. Well, KL is out here. So that's not a side that would have angle J as a included angle. So I can rule that one out just on itself. What else is in here? Well, GH is out here. That's also not a side that is one that has the included angle of F. So that one's out. And let's go down here to D. Let's look at it. JL. Okay, well, that's a side that works. JK, that's a side that works. Well, but once again, I got GH out here, so I can rule that out. That's no good. Let's look at C. I got JK and FG. I got KL. Well, KL's out here, and GH is out here. These are not sides. Process of elimination, I'm down to JL, which is a side that is one of that would have as an included angle J, as well as JK. And FH right here, and FG, and Shazam. That would be sufficient. If those are proportional, if JK and JL are proportional to FG and FH, or I guess is it written as JL and FH and JK and FG proportional, then we could prove similarity using side similarity theorem Shazam.